वेलकम टू लर्निंग अड्डा। आज हम बैंक एग्जाम्स के लिए 30 ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। हर नए क्वेश्चन टाइप के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से पहले सॉल्विंग अप्रोच समझेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अप्रोक्सीमेशन में हर वैल्यू को ऐसे नियर बाय नंबर पर राउंड कीजिए जिसे परसेंटेज, पावर या रूट क्विकली सॉल्व हो और ओरिजिनल ऑपरेशन सेम रखिए। क्वेश्चन 1। अप्रोक्सीमेशन 59.96% of 1498.5 plus 25.02 squared minus the square root of 6240.7 approximately equals what? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. Round 59.96% to 60% and 1498.5 to 1500. 60% of 1500 equals 900. 25.02 squared is approximately 25 squared, which equals 625. The square root of 6240.7 is approximately the square root of 6241, which equals 79. 900 plus 625 minus 79 equals 1446. Question 2. 69.98 squared minus 30.02 squared, all divided by 39.99 plus 17.99 squared, approximately equals what? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option D. Use 70, 30, 40 and 18 as the nearby values. 70 squared minus 30 squared equals 4000. 4000 divided by 40 equals 100. 18 squared equals 324. 100 plus 324 equals 424. Question 3. Cube root of 9258.4 plus square root of 1680.9 plus 33.31% of 1140.6 approximately equals what? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option E. The cube root of 9258.4 is approximately 21 because 21 cubed is 9261. The square root of 1680.9 is approximately 41. 33.31% is approximately 1/3, and 1/3 of 1140 equals 380. 21 plus 41 plus 380 equals 442. सिंप्लीफिकेशन में ब्रैकेट्स, रूट्स और फ्रैक्शन या परसेंटेज मल्टीप्लिकेशन पहले सॉल्व कीजिए। उसके बाद एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन कंप्लीट कीजिए। क्वेश्चन 4. 5 divided by 8 of 1376 plus 37.5% of 928 minus the square root of 2304 equals what? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option E. 5 divided by 8 of 1376 equals 860. 37.5% is 3 divided by 8, and 3 divided by 8 multiplied by 928 equals 348. The square root of 2304 equals 48. 860 plus 348 minus 48 equals 1160. Question 5. 2.8 cubed multiplied by 125 plus 22.5% of 960 minus the cube root of 3375 equals what? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. 2.8 cubed multiplied by 125 can be written as 2.8 multiplied by 5, all cubed. 14 cubed equals 2744. 22.5% of 960 equals 216. The cube root of 3375 equals 15. 2744 plus 216 minus 15 equals 2945. Number series में changing multipliers, additions, differences और alternating operations check कीजिए. Pattern वही choose कीजिए जो हर transition को explain करे. Question 6. Number series. Find the next number 3, 8, 27, 112, 565. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब timer शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. The multiplier and the added number both increase by 1. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 equals 8. 8 multiplied by 3 plus 3 equals 27. The same rule continues through multipliers 4 and 5. Therefore, 565 multiplied by 6 plus 6 equals 3396. Question 7. Find the wrong number. 14, 22, 38, 70, 135, 262. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब timer शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. The differences should double as 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. 70 plus 64 equals 134, and 134 plus 128 equals 262. Therefore, 135 is the wrong number. Question 8. Find the next number 9, 18, 16, 64, 60, 360, 354. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब timer शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option E. The operations alternate. Multiply by 2, subtract 2, multiply by 4, subtract 4, multiply by 6, and subtract 6. The next operation is multiplication by 8. 354 multiplied by 8 equals 2832. Question 9. Find the next number 3, 12, 33, 72, 135. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब timer शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. Each term follows n cubed plus 2n. For n equal to 1, this gives 3, and the rule continues through n equal to 5. For the next term, 6 cubed plus 2 multiplied by 6 equals 216 plus 12, which equals 228. Question 10. Find the next number 7, 11, 20, 36, 61. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब timer शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. The successive differences are consecutive squares, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared and 5 squared. The next difference is 6 squared, which equals 36. 61 plus 36 equals 97. Quadratic comparison में दोनों equations के सारे roots निकालिए. वही relation choose कीजिए जो roots के हर possible pair के लिए true हो. Question 11. Quadratic comparison. Equation 1, x squared minus 32x plus 255 equals 0. Equation 2, y squared minus 20y plus 96 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option A. The first equation factors into x minus 15 multiplied by x minus 17, so the x roots are 15 and 17. The second factors into y minus 8 multiplied by y minus 12, so the y roots are 8 and 12. The smallest possible x is greater than the largest possible y. Therefore, x is greater than y. Question 12. Equation 1, to x squared minus 22x plus 56 equals 0. Equation 2, 3y squared minus 60y plus 297 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option B. The x roots are 4 and 7. The y roots are 9 and 11. Even the largest x root is less than the smallest y root. Therefore, x is less than y. Question 13. Equation 1, x squared minus 20x plus 96 equals 0. Equation 2, 2y squared minus 26y plus 80 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option C. The x roots are 8 and 12. The y roots are 5 and 8. The smallest x root equals the largest y root, and every other pairing makes x greater. Therefore, x is greater than or equal to y. Question 14. Equation 1, 3x squared minus 27x plus 54 equals 0. Equation 2, y squared minus 16y plus 60 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option D. The x roots are 3 and 6. The y roots are 6 and 10. The largest x root equals the smallest y root, and every other pairing makes x smaller. Therefore, x is less than or equal to y. Question 15. Equation 1, 4x squared minus 104x plus 676 equals 0. Equation 2, 9y squared minus 234y plus 1521 equals 0. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option E. The first equation is 4 multiplied by x minus 13 squared, so x equals 13. The second is 9 multiplied by y minus 13 squared, so y also equals 13. Therefore, x equals y. Arithmetic क्वेश्चन को रेट्स या इक्वेशंस में कन्वर्ट कीजिए, यूनिट्स कंसिस्टेंट रखिए, और कंडीशन चेंज होने पर कैलकुलेशन को सेपरेट स्टेजेस में सॉल्व कीजिए। Question 16. Arithmetic. Pipe A fills a tank in 10 hours, pipe B in 15 hours, and a leak empties it in 30 hours. All three work for 3 hours, after which the leak is closed. How much more time will A and B need to fill the tank? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है। The correct answer is option E. For the first 3 hours, the net rate is 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 15 minus 1 divided by 30, which equals to divided by 15 of the tank per hour. 3 hours fill 2/5, leaving 3/5. After the leak closes, A and B together fill 1/6 per hour. 3/5 divided by 1/6 equals 18/5 of an hour, or 3 hours and 36 minutes. Question 17. Two trains, 240 meters and 160 meters long, cross each other in opposite directions in 10 seconds. If the first train runs at 54 kilometers per hour, what is the speed of the second train? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. The trains cover their combined length, 240 plus 160, which equals 400 meters. 400 divided by 10 gives a relative speed of 40 meters per second. 54 kilometers per hour equals 15 meters per second. Therefore, the second train travels at 40 minus 15, or 25 meters per second. Multiplying by 18 divided by 5 gives 90 kilometers per hour. Question 18. A 100-liter mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 7:3. 20 liters is removed and replaced with water, and the same operation is repeated once. What is the final ratio of milk to water? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. The initial milk is 70 liters. After each replacement, 4/5 of the milk remains. After two replacements, milk left equals 70 multiplied by 4/5 squared, which is 44.8 liters. Water is 100 minus 44.8, or 55.2 liters. The ratio 44.8 to 55.2 simplifies to 56 to 69. Question 19. A committee of 4 is chosen from 6 men and 5 women. What is the probability that at least 2 women are selected? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. The total number of committees is 11 choose 4, which equals 330. For exactly 2 women, 5 choose to multiplied by 6 choose to gives 150. For exactly 3 women, 5 choose 3 multiplied by 6 choose 1 gives 60. For 4 women, there are 5 choices. The favorable total is 215. 215 divided by 330 simplifies to 43 divided by 66. Question 20. A invests 75,000 rupees for 12 months. B invests 90,000 rupees for 5 months and then 60,000 rupees for 7 months. C joins after 4 months with 1,20,000 rupees. If the total profit is 72,800 rupees, what is C's share? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. Compare capital multiplied by time. A contributes 900,000 capital means. B contributes 450,000 plus 420,000, which equals 870,000. C contributes 120,000 for 8 months, giving 960,000. The ratio is 30 to 29 to 32, with 91 total units. 72,800 multiplied by 32 divided by 91 equals 25,600 rupees. डेटा सफिशिएंसी में चेक कीजिए कि हर स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन का एक यूनिक आंसर देता है या नहीं. स्टेटमेंट्स को सेपरेटली टेस्ट करने के बाद हाई कॉम्बाइन कीजिए. क्वेश्चन 21. डेटा सफिशिएंसी. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x? स्टेटमेंट 1, x plus y equals 20, and x multiplied by y equals 91. Statement 2, x is greater than y. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. Statement 1 gives a sum of 20 and a product of 91. Therefore, x and y are 7 and 13 in either order, so x is not unique. Statement 2 only says x is greater than y and gives no numerical value. Together, x greater than y selects x equal to 13. Therefore, both statements together are necessary. Question 22. What is the principal invested at simple interest? Statement 1. The amount after 2 years at 10% per annum is 14,400 rupees. Statement 2. The simple interest earned is 2,400 rupees. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option A. From statement 1, 2 years at 10% simple interest makes the amount 120% of the principal. 14,400 divided by 1.2 equals 12,000 rupees, so statement 1 is sufficient. Statement 2 gives only the interest and does not specify both rate and time, so it is insufficient. Question 23. What is the area of a rectangle? Statement 1. Its perimeter is 50 centimeters. Statement 2. Its diagonal is 17 centimeters. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. Statement 1 gives length plus breadth equal to 25, which does not fix the area. Statement 2 gives length squared plus breadth squared equal to 289, which also does not fix the area alone. Together, 25 squared equals 289 plus 2 multiplied by the area. The area is 625 minus 289 divided by 2, which equals 168 square centimeters. Both statements are necessary. Question 24. What is the average of 5 numbers? Statement 1. The sum of the first 3 numbers is 72. Statement 2. The average of the last 2 numbers is 31. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option D. Statement 1 gives only the sum of the first 3 numbers, so it is insufficient. Statement 2 gives the last 2 numbers sum as 31 multiplied by 2, which equals 62, but it is also insufficient alone. Together, the total is 72 plus 62, or 134. 134 divided by 5 equals 26.8. Both statements are necessary. Question 25. What is the constant speed of a car? Statement 1. The car covers 240 kilometers, but the travel time is not given. Statement 2. The car covers 150 meters in 6 seconds. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. Statement 1 gives distance but not time, so speed cannot be determined. Statement 2 gives both distance and time. 150 divided by 6 equals 25 meters per second. Multiplying by 18 divided by 5 gives 90 kilometers per hour. Therefore, statement 2 alone is sufficient. Data interpretation में पहले चार्ट लेबल्स और यूनिट्स पढ़िए. सिर्फ रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यूज सिलेक्ट करके रिक्वेस्टेड रेशियो, परसेंटेज या एवरेज कैलकुलेट कीजिए. Question 26. Data interpretation. The chart shows loans sanctioned by 5 zones. After a 12.5% increase in Zone P and a 25% decrease in Zone S, what is the ratio of their revised totals? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option B. Zone P increases by 12.5%. 1280 multiplied by 112.5% equals 1440. Zone S decreases by 25%. 2240 multiplied by 75% equals 1680. The ratio 1440 to 1680 simplifies to 6 to 7. Question 27. Find the average of 37.5% of Zone QS loans, 62.5% of Zone RS loans, and 75% of Zone TS loans. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. 37.5% of Zone Q is 3/8 of 1560, which equals 585. 62.5% of Zone R is 5/8 of 1920, which equals 1200. 75% of Zone T equals 1995. Their sum is 3780. Dividing by 3 gives 1260. Question 28. Zone T sanctioned what % more loans than the average number sanctioned by Zones P and R? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. The average for Zones P and R is 1280 plus 1920 divided by 2, which equals 1600. Zone T exceeds this by 2660 minus 1600, or 1060. 1060 divided by 1600 multiplied by 100 equals 66.25%. Question 29. If 15% of Zone PS sanctioned loans and 12.5% of Zone S's sanctioned loans become non-performing, how many performing loans remain in these two zones together? Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. If 15% become non-performing in Zone P, 85% remain. 85% of 1280 equals 1088. In Zone S, 87.5% remain. 87.5% of 2240 equals 1960. Adding 1088 and 1960 gives 3048. Question 30. Zone RS loans are split among retail, agriculture and business in the ratio 5:4:3. Priority loans are 15% of retail and 25% of agriculture. Find the ratio of RS priority loans to 1/7 of Zone TS loans. Please check the options on the screen and determine the correct answer. अब टाइमर शुरू होता है. The correct answer is option C. Zone R has 12 total ratio units. Retail loans equal 5/12 of 1920, which is 800. Agriculture loans equal 4/12, which is 640. Priority loans are 15% of 800 plus 25% of 640. That is 120 plus 160, or 280. 1/7 of Zone TS 2660 loans equals 380. The ratio 280 to 380 simplifies to 14 to 19. डेली लर्निंग कैप्सूल को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. ऐसे हाई ओरिजिनल बैंक एग्जाम प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.